Alright guys, so made quite a bit of progress. I have never seen that happen before. The Tamiya servo saver, the actual part that flexes, just snapped in half. I dug through my junk boxes. I can't find anything in there. It's a disaster. There's stuff from real cars and toys and everything mixed up. So yeah, let's scrap that. I swapped it out for a plastic servo saver off of it was on the parts tree for the Clodbuster. So these servos did come with nice aluminum servo horns, but unfortunately that is way too long, and that would put our steering arm, pitman arm, way out here, and it would hit the other servo for the shifting, and yeah, it won't work for this. So this one will work. It is a plastic. I put a shorter threaded ball end on there, just old Tamiya stuff I've got laying around, and hopefully that'll hold up. But we are hung up. The wheels I ordered are not going to be here, unfortunately, before USTE. They still show arrived in Hong Kong, tracking number provided. That's the extent of it. I could build it with the other wheels, and but seriously, it's a week till the event. It's like 6 days until I leave to head to Florida, and it's been pouring down rain, and it's forecasted to pour down rain most of this week, and it's cold, and I'm not going to be able to paint. I don't want to rush it. I don't want to screw this thing up. So yeah, this may be an unfinished project that we bring out to Florida, but we're going to bring it. And yeah, so I'm going to do a mock-up here real quick, because I want to see the body and how this is going to look with the stretch chassis, because yeah, I have no idea. I just kind of winged it. Alright guys, so I'm digging it. I think that's a tasteful stretch. It's not too much, not too extreme. Goes with the really low roof of this cab, and yeah, I'm digging it. I'm not set on a direction with this. Like I mentioned in the last video, I love trucks with a purpose. I love heavy duty, heavy haulers. I'm not looking to do custom lowrider, nothing like that. That being said, these tires might be a little tall on here. I don't know. The fronts look a little weird. Like I said, this is the first time I've built one of these cab overs, the globe liner. So I don't know, but I'm digging the wheelbase. I think that's spot on. I don't know why Tamiya makes the shocks anodized pink. That kills me. They've been that way forever. It just doesn't make any sense. That was probably my favorite part of the Grand Hauler. Other than the big stacks and stuff and the fenders and all that, it had like just polished shocks. No gold or no pink. Nothing weird Tamiya's used to doing. But yeah, I'm digging it. The next step is the transmission, and I'm not looking forward to that. These 3-speed transmissions are, if I remember right, I've built probably 5 or 6 of them in my life. It's kind of a pain. It's probably not as bad as I remember. I'm not a fan of it. It's so bulky. It's so huge. It fits these trucks really well. It did not fit the high lift trucks at all, in my opinion. It was a stupid choice for that. It was just so massive. But these trucks, it fits. But there's a lot of things I want to do. Like I said, I love trucks with a purpose. There's a billet gear reduction unit that mounts on the back of the transmission that I've seen on eBay from China, of course, that I really want to try. I don't have the money to buy it right now. I think it's around 115 bucks or so. But I kind of want to make a pulling truck. And I know I'm missing the event. USTE's going to have pulling sleds and everything, but I want to build a heavy haul truck that's geared so low that it could pull a house down. And we kind of did that with the tri-drive I built a few years ago, but I never finished. It was geared. It had an extra gear reduction unit, but it wasn't this one. It was a cheaper unit. And yeah, so I don't know. I'm digging the build though. I think it's got a good stance. It's got a good length. So let me know what y'all think in the comments, and I'm going to wrap this one up. Next installment, part 3, will be transmission. Probably only be the transmission because that is quite involved. But I'll do my best to in-depth show you how I do it. And yeah, we'll wrap it up. Keep it scale, and I will see y'all in the next video.